Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the most exclusive and powerful credit cards available in India, the Axis Magnus Burgundy Credit Card. I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about this card, the pros, the cons and pricing, and also why many people believe this is the best premium card in 2025. Let's get to it. Now, if you're someone who travels frequently, dines in style, enjoys premium airport experiences and values high-end privileges, this card is designed with you in mind. But this card is not just available to anyone. It's exclusive to Axis Bank Burgundy clients, which means you need to meet specific relationship criteria with the bank to even qualify. But once you're in, you're unlocking a card that offers one of the richest reward structures, unlimited travel privileges, and impressive lifestyle perks. Think of it as a luxury getaway to smarter spending and elite experiences. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. The rewards program. This is where the Axis Magnus Burgundy really shines. The card offers 12 edge reward points per 200 rupees spent until your monthly spending hits 1.5 lakhs. Once you cross 1.5 lakhs threshold in a given month, the rate jumps to 35 points per 200 rupees, and that's on all categories, including rent, insurance, and utility bills. Even better, when you book travel through the Axis Travel Edge portal, you earn a whopping 60 points per 200 rupees spent, although this is capped at 2 lakhs per month. This layered reward structure is designed to maximize returns for big spenders, and especially those who channel large monthly expenses through their card. Rewards redemption. Here's a major benefit that sets the Magnus Burgundy apart from others: the redemption ratio. You can convert your Edge reward points into airline and hotel loyalty programs at a 5-to-4 ratio. To give you some perspective, the regular Magnus card only offers 5-to-2 ratio. Airport lounge access and meet and greet services. For frequent flyers, this card is a gem because you get unlimited international lounge access through Priority Pass for both the primary cardholder and add-on members. You also get 4 complimentary guest passes annually, which is fantastic if you travel with family or colleagues. For domestic lounges, access is unlocked once you've spent 50,000 rupees in the previous 3 months, and you get unlimited visits. And one standout feature is the complimentary meet and greet services at airports per year. You get 4 of this. Someone to receive you, help you with immigration, and ensure a smooth airport experience. Now that's next level comfort. How about the Forex markup and travel insurance fee? International travelers will appreciate the low 2% foreign exchange markup fee, which is significantly better than the typical 3.5% most other credit card charge. Additionally, you get insurance coverage for baggage delays and loss of travel documents, offering peace of mind when you're flying internationally. There's also a welcome benefit, unlike other premium cards that throw in fancy Apple gadgets or high-value vouchers as welcome gifts. This card is more modest in this area. For this card, new cardholders receive a 5,000 rupees voucher, which can be redeemed at luxury partners like Postcard Hotels, Lux gift cards, or Yatra. While it's not bad, it does feel underwhelming compared to the card's high annual fee. But as you see, the real value lies in the ongoing rewards, not the one-time benefits. Now let us talk about the pricing of the card. There's an annual fee of 30,000 rupees plus GST. Now you also get an annual fee waiver if you spend up to 30 lakhs in a year. The Forex markup is at 2% plus GST. You get free add-on cards, and you only get interest charges if you carry a balance. What are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. High reward rates, especially after spending 1.5 lakhs in a month. Super redemption ratio of 5-to-4 with airline and hotel partners. Unlimited lounge access plus 4 guest passes, which is very rare in Indian credit cards. And of course the meet and greet services, which is great. How about the cons? High annual fee of 30,000 rupees. You need to spend big to justify it. Eligibility is limited to Burgundy clients, which isn't accessible for everyone. In 2025, the Axis Magnus Burgundy credit card continues to be one of the most powerful tools for affluent Indian consumers looking to maximize their spending and elevate their lifestyle. Sure, the card has undergone a few changes and devaluations over the past year, but it still offers incredible ongoing value if you understand how to use it strategically. So if you're someone who travels internationally multiple times a year, you regularly spend more than 1.5 lakhs in a month, and you want to transfer reward points to travel partners, also you prefer premium lounge access, concierge perks, and luxury benefits, then this card is hard to beat. And that's it on the review of the Axis Magnus Burgundy card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Infinia credit card, Axis Bank Reserve credit card, and IDFC First Private credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.